Introducing Dory, the smallest, most portable and affordable underwater drone ever. We're bringing the underwater world to the surface for everyone. We are chasing that mystery, chasing adventure, chasing new discoveries. 2 years ago, we took you exploring with Gladius, a campaign that resulted in over 1,600% funding and 100% delivered to backers. From there, we successfully brought Gladius Mini to market, winning the Red Dot Product Design Award. Now, with Dory, we're making waves all over again with its small size, premium features, and surprisingly low price point. Dory connects the aquatic world to the masses, so serious adventurers and fun seekers can explore both in and out of the water. The genius of Dory lies in its compact size and portability. There's no bulky remote, meaning less gear to haul. Instead, you simply control Dory with your phone using the intuitive Chasing Dory app. You may wonder, who was Dory made for? Well, lots of people. The person who loves bringing technology and family together. Dory makes it easy for anyone to use, even kids. And of course, adventure seekers are all about Dory. With Dory in your backpack, there truly are no boundaries. Dory is ideal for those who love to share their adventures on social media. The ability to easily post and live stream makes it a win-win for people who want to capture the moment for all their friends and followers to see. We, at Chasing, are enormously proud of the technologies packed into this small form factor and the features and benefits they provide. Depth Lock lets you dive and remain at the precise depth you want so you can either idle or cruise with maximum stability. 45-degree tilt lock mode mimics the up and down movement of the human eye, providing the perfect angles to scan the ocean floor or peer up at the crystal water above. But let's dive deeper. With its hydrodynamic design and shark-like precision, Dory can reach depths of over 49 feet. And with 2 built-in 250 lumen lights, you can find and capture exactly what you're looking for. The high-end camera has a 100-degree field of view for expansive photos and video. And its f1.6 wide aperture lens is ideal for low-light situations. With 8 gigabytes of storage capacity, you'll have plenty of room to store your adventures. We focused on the end-user experience first. So, unlike other underwater drones, you only need to charge the Dory itself, not the Wi-Fi buoy or a remote. This means less time spent charging and more time exploring. Dory is packed with technology designed to guide and enhance your experience. Its 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, compass, and calibration system keep you positioned perfectly for all your voyages. Small, simple, smart. That's what makes Dory unique. With your pledge, you'll receive the drone, tether, Wi-Fi buoy, and charger. We even created an optional waterproof Dory backpack with customized internal compartments. Its unique shape, quality materials, and waterproof zipper perfectly match the attention to detail given to its cargo. Earth's last frontier is no longer uncharted territory. With Dory, it's in full, glorious view and commanded by you. Join us and explore the next generation of aquatic wanderlust. Join the chase. Chasing Dory.
Pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
After 2 years of designing and prototyping, we're ready to introduce the Spry, a waterproof drone that floats like a boat, can briefly submerge underwater, then flip back to fly in the air at over 40 miles per hour. It's a combination of a racing quad and a photography drone with a robust waterproof body, and yes, the first ever waterproof remote control. The waterproof remote control has a built-in monitor that allows you to watch the live video stream and on-screen display information. The Spry can also send its video signal to several monitors simultaneously, so you can share your flying experience with your friends on the spot. The Spry's 4K camera tilts up and down to always point in the right direction during flight or while floating. This allows you to see what's underwater. Another cool feature is the expansion port that allows future accessories to be attached on the bottom and enhance the Spry's capabilities. You can turn the GPS on and off from the remote control to fly freestyle, or activate its advanced flight features like Follow Me, Object Orbit, and Return to Remote Control Location, so that if you're on a moving boat, the Spry will always come to where you are. If you're more into robotic flying, you can use the Spry's app to set up waypoints on the map and fly a designated path completely hands-free. The Spry is compact and comes with everything you need to fly the moment you get it: the carrying case, battery, remote, and charger.
We're also doing something that we don't think has ever been done before. We're releasing a series of videos bringing you inside of the factories that make some of the components for the Spry, and also show you the working conditions of these factories, and also learn how LiPo batteries are made, propellers are made, and how the whole manufacturing process works.
We've spent years in the design stage to push the limits and redefine the capabilities of drones in general. The only thing that's missing to make the Spry a reality at an affordable price is you. By supporting this project, you will be the first one to get your hands on the very first Spry. Check out the different reward levels and help the project go viral by sharing it with all your friends.
Hey Kickstarters! 2 years ago, you made history by backing the Splash Drone, the first waterproof drone that can float and take pictures and video underwater and in the air. Today we're back on Kickstarter to bring you the much more advanced Splash Drone 3 Auto and Fisherman Edition. The Splash Drone is now modular and comes with a 4K detachable camera and a stronger payload release system to deliver your bait or payload over water. If you have a drone, you know what it feels like to fly over water. And if you still don't, you've probably seen video of the thousands of drones that have crashed in the water to never be seen again. Our goal is to change the way you fly by removing the fear of flying over water or even land on it. The new camera captures 4K video at 25 frames per second and 14 megapixel pictures. The gimbal has stronger motors for better stable video underwater and in the air. It also has a quick release clip that allows you to store your Splash Drone in this redesigned compact travel case. We've also redesigned the flight controller to make it more stable and repositioned the GPS to provide more accurate location hold while still giving you features that make flying easier than ever. Features like return to home at the flip of a switch, waypoint navigation, follow me mode, and tap to fly to a specific location on the map. All features that can be accessed on the Swell Pro mobile app, available for Android and iOS devices. The Splash Drone Fisherman Edition now comes with a completely redesigned payload release system that's equipped with a high-resolution fixed camera that allows you to see where you're dropping your bait or live vest. By redesigning the remote control from the ground up, we were able to integrate a high-resolution video monitor with an on-screen display that shows the health of the splash drone and vibrates to alert you when the battery is running low. The entire propulsion system has also been re-engineered for more stable and longer flights, and the quick-lock propellers allow it to fly at up to 35 miles an hour. Today, we're coming back to Kickstarter and hope that you can help us continue the dream of delivering the best splash drone yet. Thanks.
Drones expand our perspective and enable truly amazing aerial footage. But countless people damage or destroy their expensive drones because they couldn't find a perfect surface for takeoff and landings. That's why we built WaterStrider. Inspired by nature, our engineered all-terrain landing gear allows you to quickly and safely take off and land on water. Now you can get unique shots never before possible. And WaterStrider is amazing on almost any terrain, not just water. No more dangerous one-arm catches at the beach. Protect your camera with plenty of clearance. Landing on gravel or mud at the worksite is no big deal. No perfectly flat surface? No need to worry if you have WaterStrider. Focus on getting the perfect shot without worrying about where you will attempt to land. WaterStrider was designed to be ultra lightweight so your drone stays nimble. Carbon fiber and high-impact polymers make it rugged and help protect your drone's camera. A perfectly balanced center of gravity and buoyancy means that you can have confidence both in the air and on the water. WaterStrider installs quickly and easily onto a stock DJI Phantom. It doesn't block access, visibility, or the function of any part of your drone. And who's behind WaterStrider?
We're a team of engineers that love things that fly. We've professionally designed, manufactured, certified, and supported many types of aerospace products. Products ranging from fighter jet engines to light aircraft.
We've spent the last few months designing, testing, and planning to make sure we deliver to our backers a great product. Now we need your support to help fund production tooling,
So please spread the word, back us, and help make WaterStrider a reality so that you can drone anywhere.
When people say the sky's the limit, we ask, why stop there? This is the relentless spirit and passion of UCAN Robot, and from there, we created another glimpse of the future of possible. This is the BW Space, the newest addition to the UCAN Robot family, and a great leap forward for the industry. BW Space is the newest and most improved underwater drone from UCAN Robot, which yields something unique and groundbreaking in the process. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it's a work of art that produces works of art. It's exceptionally powerful and nimble in the water without sacrificing stability. It has the ability to capture 4K video at 30 frames per second and take still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. With 7 hours of total dive time, 100-meter dive depth, and a max speed of 2 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. The BW Space's striking industrial design is the perfect union of form and function. With state-of-the-art active tracking, it can follow your subject automatically. And with dual powerful LED lights, you'll have no problem navigating in the darkest of conditions. With 128 gigs of internal storage, you can record for hours and take thousands of photos. Live sharing makes it a breeze to share with your friends. With the click of a button, the whole world can tune in to your adventure. The app is as sleek and compact as the BW Space itself. And with the BW Space in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.